I returning officer for the 24 Rupang, Assembly Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the second day of November 2021, declared to be Eugene son of Mama Rupang, sponsored by Eugene, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the by-election to be a member of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof I have granted to him the certificate of election.
Kung mga parito.
Ai ngồiอยู่play Pat kentam ipa baju buku national dance.
Pak Eugene atau Kamde kesini mendukung yo footballer juga dari India ban job election.
Dan mo ba not the national player pada hapo Shillong lah dan always di
Kan lagi national player kumha Kerdan Jupi kan.
Ngantip mo bang macam butia job ne kam job ngantip rekla dan gibla ikun katukannya.
Ba Eugene haden ba thi la cha declare kumu MLA jong ka bakmai jong ka Mautlang constituency ei thai kita ki priority jong pi to thi ko Khmat ban pendap ko kan ni ka sisna
Kumba kumangala ya ki cingilang ki beper makane campaign yang ong biang sisin ba kikam ki ba per bi pai la le bedang sateng kajing temu ko jonga kade bang pendap kat bangala ya kita kikam
la ba jar kata giwai le kita kikam ki ba pending jong ipa ki ba
kibun kikam bun kisurop kebai pai la le bai empat yo la pendap kawai kade kita
ba Eugene from footballer to legislator what will be your priorities now?
Obviously my priority would be to serve the people at the utmost level I can.
Do you think that 1 year is enough for you to really serve the people of Mautlang constituency?
1 year is a very short time. As you know, the past 2 years, even in times of COVID, the years have just passed on very fast. So even this year, this coming year, 2022, is going to go by very fast. So in a year's span, I'm not sure I'll be able to complete as much as I would like to, because we all know the works that he has done and the works that are pending. So in knowing that we are a state that has a lot of climate changes throughout the year, and there are works that depends on climate as well.
What are the challenges for you?
Obviously the main challenge is to shift profession from a football player to a politician.
So that is not easy for you.
Obviously at the start, yeah, but as time goes by, I will learn. Kaba kongsan kade ka jingiet jungki patba ba lingba ki kam ba per bi pai la le kilai I kila sakhi but lingba ka jingwan jungki hayeng ban pinslu ringa bang yeng ban bodien ki kam pa ki patba hiru ki dei kasur kumba kilawan ha to sngi bat komentar sngi kade kasur ka jungki.
Now Eugene, do you think sympathy vote played a huge role in your win?
Yeah, it definitely did. I would say to a point, because of what my dad had done in the past 3 years in the constituency. I'm sure people have noticed it, and they know that he has a lot of work that needs to be done. So, and I thank them for giving me the opportunity to complete the works that he has done.
Do you think that football is being promoted the way that it deserves in Meghalaya?
Football in Meghalaya has grown over the past years, and I'm sure it will grow in the future as well. And obviously it is a sport that we all love here, and it is a sport that all kids dream of playing and make a career out of it, and I'm sure that we can
What would you like to say to the people of the constituency?
I would like to give them a big thank you, because if it weren't for them, I don't think I would be standing here speaking to you.